Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to get your Progressive Auto Insurance ID card online. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for things to do. Under Things to Do, you will see an option that says Get Your ID Card. Click on Get Your ID Card. On this page, you will see an electronic copy of your ID card. Then on its upper right part, you will see several options. Click on Save. Then a pop-up message will appear that says your ID card has been downloaded and ready to go. Open the downloaded file to view your ID card. That's how you get your Progressive Auto Insurance ID card online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.